All right, guys, what's going on? It's your man Jay. I'm gonna try to get this in one take for you, man. I got my dbrand scans in. No, this is not sponsored by dbrand. I bought these. I got these when they had the 15% off, so these were $10 a piece. And they just gave one. Normally they give like a couple in the box, but they just gave one, I guess because of the discounts or whatever. So I'm gonna try to do this video in one take. I don't like to do scan videos like this because a lot of people like, well, you're not doing it like the video says. I don't care about that. I'm just gonna slap this thing on and get it on here. The dbrand, the mirror black is nice, but this isn't so much for you know, just covering up the mirror black. I just want to make sure I get some grip on this thing. That's what it's about. So you see, I just go straight in, man. Just start putting it down. It's a little crooked already, but I'm gonna change that. Yeah, I just wanted to do this real time for you, just to see how, you know, see if I got any better at doing it real time. Looks like I'm kind of getting them corners down. Lining it up is the hardest part. When you put it on, when you do it too fast, you could have like it'll shift a little bit, but let me see if I got them corners right. Now it's a little far to that side. That's the good thing about these dbrand skins. They're thicker, and I want to say, you know what? I ordered the slick wraps for my Pixel 3. I'm done with slick wraps. I used to be done with dbrand because they used to have slow shipping times. Now they have fast shipping times, man. And let me say this, I ordered this skin at the same time. I ordered these skins at the same time as I ordered my skins for the Pixel 3, and they're still processing over there at Slick Wraps. You know what I'm saying? I tried to cancel, like, no, you can't cancel, you already got it, you can only cancel within 2 hours. I've had to cancel orders before with dbrand, and they canceled it. I emailed them and they canceled it. Like, it's crazy, man. I think if Slick Wraps can't get their stuff in order, they need to step away. That's butter right there. I'm gonna heat it up in a second. I just want to get them both on. Yeah, that's cool right there. All right, so this one, trying to get this real time for you. You know what I'm saying? Just I did the dragon, the black dragon and the red dragon for these. I just thought it was appropriate. I know that the red is beautiful, but I want to preserve it. You know what I'm saying? A lot of you guys are gonna say, well, you covering up a beautiful device. Okay, yeah. I don't need scratches. I don't need my phone all scratched up. I want to preserve it, and plus I think this red dragon looks fire with this red, man. I think it looks nice. So you can't have too much on one side, so you got to make sure that you have it leveled on all sides. You know, where it's like it's going all the way down to the end. And again, I'm going to heat this up. And somebody asked me, what's the purpose of heating it up? Well, you want to heat it up so it sticks and the sides stick. You know what I'm saying? This looks sweet. Oh man, this is fire right here, man. I'm loving it. So I'm gonna heat it up. Got my blow dryer ready. Gonna heat up them sides and press them down. That looks level to me, but for now, no more case if I don't want to. I got mad grip on these. So let's get the blow dryer going. Yeah, this blow dryer old, man. This blow dryer is older than old. It's one of my wife's old blow dryers. I was like, I just need it for skins. That's it. To heat up skins every now and then. You don't want too much heat. You want to back off a little bit. Some people power off their phones. I just leave it on. I just want to go around the edges. You can also put your phone in a case for 24 hours too. That's what I do. I do that too. Put my phone in a case. But I always heat these up, you know what I'm saying? Because this get ready to live on this phone. This is it. I'm not taking this off. I'm not getting no more skins. I did that with the Galaxy Note 8. Skin lasted for over a year. I sold it with the skin on it. You know what I'm saying? So it was good. All right, so no more case if I don't want to. This is I probably won't even wear a case on this now. I'm so happy to have this mirror black, man, with the skin on it. I mean, just having the black phone, period. Now we're gonna heat up the red. And overnight, what I'll do is I'll put this in a case. They say, you know what I'm saying, don't put a case on it, you know what I'm saying, when you first get it, let it adhere. But overnight, when I'm not using it, I'll put it in a really tight fitting case and just let it sit. But this is strictly for looks for this one, and grip, and that's butter right there. All right, let's get this red one going. So nice. It's old. I know this thing sounds horrible on camera. Thing sound like it's gonna explode, man. It's crazy. You want to make sure you get a lot of heat on it to heat it up on the edges, though, because if you do decide to use a case, it'll lift on you. Just take your time with it. Get it hot around the edges. Press it down. You know, heat it up, get it heated up. Once again, man, I'm glad dbrand got these out to me fast, man. I paid for them and they was shipped out within a matter of a week or so. Yeah, I think I got these in less than a week's time with payment. Just about 7 days, I think I might have been. I'm not really sure, but I still don't have my my slick wraps for my Pixel. I should have never ordered through that, and it costs more. Even with like 60% off or whatever, it's still, well, it costs about the same as this. You know what I'm saying? But it costs a couple dollars more. I still wasn't happy because I still don't have it. It still shows processing, man. That's so lame. Yeah, this is, oh yeah, this is where it's at, man. I will put like my clear cases back on just to seal these up for a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Let it really adhere to the phone. I'm gonna hit this one more time with this dryer. All right, that is fire now, man. My phones look tough. I'm feeling this, son. This is how you make your OnePlus 6T and your OnePlus 6 look sweet. Get that top down some more right there. Yeah, like I said, man, I always put when I put a skin on a case, a skin on a phone, I put it in a case for about 24 hours, and I just rock with it like that. It'll help seat it down, keep it tight fitted. You know what I'm saying? But now, oh man, look at this. Look at your man Jay getting it on proper like. That is how you hook up the OnePlus 6T and the OnePlus 6. The dbrand skins in full effect. Forget you slick wraps. I will never order from you again. After I get my order from them, it's a wrap. This right here, both of these phones look butter. Like for real, for real. Didn't want to pause the video. Wanted to show you the whole installation and how it's done. Some people say, well, you need to show us why you put it on. I've done videos before where I just skipped through it. I put it on, then paused and came back. And they're like, oh, this ain't no good. But here it is, man. This is how you hook it up. Black Dragon and Red Dragon. The grip is obviously off the charts, man. So it's your man Jay. Do you plan on skinning yours? What you gonna do with it? Man, those are beautiful, man. Just beautiful. I am out of here, folks. Deuces.